The making of my most favorite Indian food. Food name can be found on the caption or description down below. So here's how they cook it. It's one of the most popular Indian foods. It's similar with chapati or roti, but different in how they cook or prepare it, I believe. So I had this as my dinner tonight with an Indian beef flavored dip sauce. Not sure what's the exact name of the dip because I didn't see the menu. I just asked for their best seller and they served this one. I always love eating naan, chapati or roti in wherever country I go, but eating in any restaurants here in Singapore's Little India is absolutely the best place to eat any of them because the Indian foods are 100% authentic in here, of course, so it feels like you're in India too because there are a lot of Indians as well. That's why they call this town Little India, where you can find the biggest shopping center in Singapore as well, which is the best place to buy souvenirs or pasalubong and other stuff. So I usually buy pasalubong, snacks, and even some toys and chocolates to sell in our variety store from there sometimes, as well as perfumes, electronic gadgets, and accessories like smartwatch, phone cases, and a lot more stuff to buy and sell or to give to your friends and families. So I'll tour you in Little India and in that shopping center next time. Have tons of videos taken from there because I always go there every time I go to Singapore. I just never had time to edit vlogs for real. For now, see comment section to know more about this place and please follow for more videos like this.